from Identity Wraps. Today I've got my Mark 1 and Mark 2 Escort in, which we're going to be prepping ready for show season 2023. We're going to be doing PPF and ceramic coatings, and I want to show you all processes throughout that project, which is going to be from wash, prep, vehicle checkovers, then we're going to be going through to machine polishing, then onto the PPF and ceramic coatings. I want to show you within that all of the processes that are involved, which is going to be any tiny little checkover bits, if there's any imperfections in the cars, and then onto what you should be looking for in your PPF and your ceramic coatings. So you've got a better knowledge of when you're going to go and purchase your own. So come with us and let's take a look. First stage is wash.
Started off with a good citrus clean bug remover to remove any bugs or anything stuck to the front of the car. Once we've done that, we worked our way around the wheels, go for the wheels nice deep clean. After that, we're so fun. That sun's giving me sunburn.
Sun's right in your eyes.
I'm sunburn. I have to hold it like this so I don't get sunburn. Once the car's been snow foamed, we've jet washed it off, and we've carried out the delightful 2-bucket method. Right, next step, back inside, machine polish and ceramic coat.
Been washed, we've brought it in, and we're going to do our detailing stage. We're going to go over the paint work, make sure all of the imperfections are out of the paint, all of the abrasions, dull paint, anything that could affect before we put a coating on or PPF. So we're going to go around it, Harry's going to machine polish it, and then on to the next stage. So what we're going to do is bring it up to level.
Yep.
Make it look how it should look in the first place. No grains, no grains, no dull paint.
Yep.
Get all of the imperfections out so it's ready to have coatings of PPF.
Yep, okay.
Yeah, original care. This winter.
Right, so this car has now been fully corrected and we're going to go for PPF and ceramic. So PPF on the bonnet, ceramic over the rest of the car, just for that little added bit of protection. But what I want to do is show you the Mark II and show you the real benefits of having a correction. This is just out of the result of just usage. Obviously, it's not a lacquered paint, so you're just getting a little bit more UV fade, and it's not even used that much. So on a daily car, you're really going to see the benefits of having a machine polished car prior to the PPF. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bulk fit PPF onto this. One, they don't do kits for this car, obviously. This is a 70s car, so you can forget about a kit for this. You do just get a tighter finish on all the corners. Corners around here, we can bulk nice, cut really tight, and obviously around the front, you just get a much tighter finish to the PPF. So you're not going to get glue edges, you're not going to get it visibly just sitting there on the corner for everyone to see. So we'll just go over it and we'll show you all the little tiny bits within the installation. So the best feature about PPF is the self-healing top coat. So what I'm going to show you now is just how that product works. This is the benefit that you're mainly going to be looking for and see the benefit from. There's some slight blemishes from the squeegee. So what I'm going to show you is the heat, just pulling those out and just making it crystal. You've got them mad skills. You're going to pick that up? Yeah? Yeah. So on the Mark 1, we did the bonnet test, which was light abrasions that I put in with the squeegee and then heated back out, luckily because we had the self-healing top coat. This is a smaller sample that we've done on the Mark II, which we're going to just basically see what's possible and what isn't possible. We'll get Harry, our lovely assistant, to show you some other more in-depth things.
Gut stick. Keys and wildlife. Let's see if it works. Right, start the stick. Yeah. And keys.
Yep. Right, so we're going to press really hard with this and see how much damage we can do, and then yeah, take it off. I don't think there could be a worse noise. Right, it's actually taken the top of the film off as a powder. Obviously we went really hard with it just to make sure that we really scratched it up. Obviously it's going to bring out a good percentage of what that has done, but you're still going to leave some marring and some scratching. Obviously it's protected what's underneath, but it hasn't obviously taken it out of the top face of the film. When it comes to the professionals, we've got branches and we've got keys. So let's see what that one does. Fully gone. So let's call this real world. Your real world scenarios are going to be covered for, but when you're going to be going really heavy with things like wire brushes, or you're going to be cleaning it with a Scotch-Brite pad, maybe tame it down a little bit. Right, now we've done all of our tests with the PPF, we're going to move over to ceramic coating. This is our final stage, just to make everything super slick. Harry has just ceramic coated everything from bonnet backwards. Reason for that being, we've PPF'd the bonnet, obviously because that's a heavier form of protection. It's going to give you everything you need for the road. With ceramic coatings, it is a lighter form of the same type of protection. So what we're going to do is run through all of those benefits so you know exactly what you'll be buying. Initially, what you're going to see, and you're going to notice on a daily basis, is the fact that it's going to be hydrophobic, it's going to have a super slick top finish, so it's going to be like it's polished all the time, and it's also going to have an enhanced top coat. On mattes, on satins, on glosses, it's just going to give it a richer looking finish. So the coating that we use is the Wax is Dead ceramic coating. We've used multiple through the time, and this is the one that we prefer. It's really nice to install, it's a really, really nice finish, and it seems to last out the best. I also really like it, on a side note, because Mike, hi Mike, he sends me pictures of Pokemon cards, which is nice. Whatever gets good sales, right Mike? So that brings us to the end of our PPF and our ceramic video. Hopefully that's given you all the information that you're going to need from wash and prep all the way through to installation and the benefits of each product. If you've got any comments or you'd like to hit us up on our socials, all the links are below. I hope you've enjoyed this video and seeing me just absolutely not know what I'm doing on our first YouTube video. I said YouTube, video, YouTube, hands, done all the things that I was just talking to you about just right then. Unbelievable. Right, I hope you've really enjoyed this video. It's been our first one, so be gentle in the comments. We'll see you at the next one.
Yeah!
Beige!
And cut.